Hello, my dear friends, this is Tech4Spark channel. Today Redmi K30 Pro unboxing. It's not basic model, it's K30 Zoom edition. What the inside of box? Okay, first open the box. Inside the box front side, one more black color mini box here, inside SIM pin, and free case. It's black color hard case. Then more main box inside mobile phone. See guys, phone color. I love white color phone. It's looking nice. Do you like? More AC adapter. It support 33 watts. Redmi give you box inside adapter. More Type-C cable. It's basic cable. Let's look phone first. Overview. First remove plastic cover, then look phone. I like white color. Phone back made in glass, not your plastic. Handling feeling also good. Phone top side, pop-up camera and 3.5mm headphone jack. Pop camera open time 0.50 seconds and light presser to down the camera. Also support color. You want set your favorite color on pop-up camera. Phone weigh 218 grams, phone not heavy, white bud. Phone bottom side Type-C and speaker side. Lightly got white feeling. Fan good, display 6.67 incorporated full HD plus AMOLED display, this top side curved finishing looking 9. Notchless phone so watch movie. It's great and beast, it's HDR10 plus panel much clear to watch black color on display. Movie watching and gaming you got best experience. I like notchless phone. Do you like guys? Which one you like? Notch or punch hole? Comment now. Bad news, red. He give you HDR panel but not support 90Hz refresh rate. This K30 Pro support only 60Hz refresh rate. It's lightly drop back but price drop reason to Redmi not give you 90Hz refresh rate. Benchmark mostly high 5,90,000. It's not bad. Snapdragon 865 and DDR5 RAM and UFS 3.1. Its benchmark score is good. Gaming, Snapdragon 865 work very good so no problem. Also Redmi K30 Pro gaming very nice to play. Battery 4700 mAh. Phone support 33 watts fast charging. Total charging time 63 minutes. Let's look camera. Main camera 64MP Sony lens, then 13MP ultra wide. Look camera view. It support up to P30x digital zoom quality not bad.